Hello, this is George, and we are going to review InstaCommissions. We're going to review the product, we're going to take a look at some bonuses, what it looks like inside, and let's get started. What I'm looking for are opportunities that I can make some money. They're simple, they're not difficult, does not take a lot of my time, and I don't really want to talk to people if I don't want to. And finally, I want to be able to do this when I want to on my own schedule. Now in this review, we will go over what is it, we will go over what would you have to do, and finally, can you make any money? So this is the sales page, and you've probably seen this. If you're on YouTube and you're watching my review, there is a link down below to get the bonuses that I'm going to show you in a little bit, plus to have access to this page if you haven't already seen it. So what's this InstaCommissions? Personal income generator that converts 67% of traffic into the big three-figure commas. This video right here is really cool. I enjoyed it. It really got my attention. And so what is InstaCommissions? InstaCommissions it's an internet marketing program that combines software with a strategy to be able to get customers and go into some niches that are very popular where there's already a lot of traffic, and kind of, slip yourself in there, slide yourself in. So I put together some bonuses because this InstaCommission needs traffic. They're going to give you access to links and offers and things to sell and things that are selling hot, but you've got to get people there. So some of the bonuses that I've got for you right now, which are going to help you out, are valued here at $427. Is InstaCommission. It's called Eclipse, and it's how to steal gurus' incomes. So really, if you don't have an email list, if you're just starting brand new, this is something it's a course all on its own, and it's gonna help you out. Drive traffic and learn from the expert, Russell Brunson here. This is a free book from Traffic Secrets. It's fantastic. It's a free book plus shipping, and all this is included. You're not paying for any of this. If you decide to get the InstaCommissions, we're going to give you all this also. This here is a hack on 2 powerful traffic sources. So again, traffic is what you need. Here, email marketing. All the gurus, all the marketers that are seasoned say the money is in the list. So if you don't have a list, this is going to help you out. Bonus number 4 is from zero to hero, and this is really if someone who lost everything and they have to start over from scratch, what would they do? And there's some excellent information here, and of course you're going to get all of the bonuses from the vendor. If you do decide to pick this up, there's a link down below. You can click on that link for the bonus crate, and then any of these orange blocks that you see here will get you to this bonus page. Click on the orange box, and then you'll go to the sales page, which then will look like this, and you can click on one of the boxes, and there's just a bunch of stuff here. How much doesn't really tell you what it is or what you've got to do, but we're going to get into that. We're going to get into that right now. But if you do decide you like this, this is where you're going to get access, and this sales page is available from my bonus page right over here. If you do decide to get it, it'll be delivered via Warrior Plus, and down here there's a little blue box, and that's what you will click on in order to get the bonuses. So what does this look like on the inside? When I was reviewing this and going through what this was all about, this wasn't all pieced together. There's some new things that are here now that wasn't here earlier when I was going through it. This dashboard tutorial here is about this guy who developed the software, and it's pretty slick. So I think that you'll enjoy that. This is based on traffic sources. Again, traffic that's already existed, you're going to hack it. You're going to, and this is legal, all right? There's nothing illegal here. There is a marketplace that there's people already there and they're already doing things, and you're going to get traffic from that. Over here, expired domains. Expired domains are, let's say you've gone to a website and there's all kinds of traffic. Well, the owners of the website, they just let it go. They got tired of whatever they're doing. But those website links are all over YouTube, they're all over Google, they're all over blogs, and people are still going there. And those expired domains is free traffic. This traffic jacker, exactly what that is. You're jacking other people's traffic. The video tutorials, now there was 0 here when I came into this before, but this is where they're adding these on there. I've got special access, but this is where it happens. This is the introduction, and this is the walkthrough. I don't know exactly how they're telling everyone how to do this, but I do know, because I haven't been able to review all those, but I do know that there is one-click traffic, and this was loading up earlier. So here you go. See? All right. So these are all the different traffics, okay, on how to get the niches, download the campaigns that you want, create landing pages, squeeze pages, and finally get traffic. So this is the InstaCommissions. Those are the campaigns. The traffic suite here. Craigslist, we've all heard of that. Udemy, Bing ads, Google ads, you get a credit. Traffic for me, Facebook fan page. I think they're going to add some to this. Not really sure. Graphics editor. So if you're doing some kind of graphics, this is like a Canva, a very, very basic. Canva's free. This is included in it, and they probably have some stuff they're going to load in here when this actually goes live, because of this recording, the product's not live yet. So Canva, if you do canva.com, that's really cool stuff. I'm going to go backwards here. An article rewriter. So what this is here is I put in an article of mine, I pasted it in here, and then I hit the spin button, and then it rearranged it. So what you're going to do is you're going to have content, and you're going to want to rewrite it or spin it, put a spin on it, you know, like change it up a little bit. This does it for you. Let me go over here real quick and grab a little bit of content right over here. Copy, come back, paste. So this is what I have in the comments of the YouTube video. So we also have added a unique campaign creator with all the tested, dedicated ingredients and settings to truly plug and play, and it's all being done for you. I'm going to put a spin. Boom! We also have delivered a unique marketing campaign writer with all of the examined exact ingredients and settings to certainly plug and play, and it all being done for you. See how that kind of twisted up a little bit? So you're going to be able to do that. An article rewriter. Custom offers. This here is request to promote. These are going to be offers that you're going to be able to promote, and those are the products that are going to be inserted in your traffic here in these InstaCommissions. There is a hands-free versions here, which you're going to have to put some stuff in here. I'm not going to do that. Partner with Jamie, automatic import. This is how to, again, another kind of hack is. And then the mothership. These are all the different things here. So that's kind of really, in a nutshell, what this whole InstaCommissions is about. It's about taking offers that are already out there, finding links that people are already clicking on, driving traffic to it. So that's kind of what it is. Now, what do you have to do? You're going to have to put the pieces together. You're going to have to sign up for these offers, get some traffic, which they're going to help you with the traffic, put the two together so when the traffic clicks on these links, they go to the product page and bam, you get paid. Can you do it? Can you make any money? I believe you can. It's going to take some work. It's everything that they say is done for you. It's going to take in some work. So put in some work if you'd like and hammer it out. So I wish you luck. Good luck. Go make some money. Bam! We'll see you next time.